One of the biggest misconceptions about toppers, human hair toppers specifically, is that you will be able to take them right out of the box, put them on your head, and walk out the door. In truth, you need to spend a little bit of time adjusting your topper so that it looks and feels like you. And I'm going to show you how to do that over the next few minutes. I'm going to do a step-by-step out of the box to wearing it out the door tutorial for you. So you just received your brand new topper. This is from UniWigs. I'm very excited about this topper. I've been waiting to try this one. This is called Top Secret. You open it up, you like the cap construction, you like the look of the color, you like the feel of the hair. These are all very important things to check off your list as soon as you get your new topper. So you like all of those things. Then you put it on your head, right? I just took her straight out of box. I have not done anything to her yet. You put her on her head, and the hair's just not looking right. You're like, this is not what all those other videos looked like. So let's go through what we're gonna do in order to fix that. The hair is falling in my face, the transition doesn't look good, and there's some crimps and creases in the hair. First things first, I like to change the part. We're first going to adjust the part line. So what you need is a squirt bottle or just a little bit of water and a rat tail comb. Then I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and I'm just gonna gently slide it along where I want my part line to be. All right, now that I've adjusted it, I'm going to squirt it a little bit more. And we're just gonna let it air dry in this area. You can use heat if you wanna speed along your process. I don't need to do that right now, so I'm just gonna let it air dry. Okay, already we've made great progress. That hairline looks so much better already, so much more realistic. But the topper's still flopping in my face and the transition doesn't look great. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a round brush and a blow dryer, and we're gonna blow dry both our bio hair and the topper up and away from our face. You're gonna wanna start by wetting both the topper and a little bit of your bio hair. It's okay if your bio hair gets wet, because we're also gonna blow dry a little bit of our bio hair. So next I'm going to actually blow dry my bio hair. I'm going to use a little bit of water right along that front hairline, and I'm going to take my round brush blow dryer again, and I'm going to blow dry my hair up and out, and that's going to give my bio hair some lift, so that's going to help ease the transition between my bio hair and my topper. So now we've adjusted both our bio hair by blow drying it up, gives it a little bit of volume, and we've adjusted the topper. We've blow dried the hair away from our face a little bit, we've adjusted that part line. Now we're ready to put the topper on our head. Go ahead and put our topper on now. I like to bring a little bit of my bio hair forward, the stuff that I'm going to blend in with the topper, and then you can use your comb, set it back, and then clip in, scooping up a little bit of hair at a time, making sure that your clips remain closed until you're ready to actually secure them to your bio hair. Then the next thing I like to do is take a comb, and we're going to scoop a little bit more of our bio hair out and brush it up and away from our face. You can tell what just a little bit of blow drying and adjusting that part has already done for the topper. I would like to add a little bit of curl because we do have a few crimps and creases still from it being in the box. Okay, I went through and added just a little bit of curl for a little bit of texture. Nothing too much, just a little bit all the way around. Now you've already done all the hard work. All you have to do now is put it on, maybe apply a little bit of hair building fiber around there and some texturizing spray. If your bio hair is not curled and you want to add a little curl to it, do that. But start to finish, it usually takes me 5 minutes to put my topper on in the morning. It might take you a little bit longer until you're practiced, but I promise you it's way quicker than actually trying to cover up those bald patches that you have on top of your head or that I have on top of my head. I used to spend 30 minutes doing that every day, trying to just cover up or have enough hair on my head to feel comfortable going outside. But now it takes me 2, 3, 5 minutes in the morning. So just be patient with it. I know it takes some practice and it takes some getting used to, but once you get used to it, you will love getting ready in the morning because it's just so easy.